So hey, we are next trekking adventure, and we are on the top of a scenic mountain at the Bison National Refuge. And you know, we just wanted to introduce ourselves and who we are. So I'm Mark.
I'm Teri.
And we're Next Trekking Adventure. We sold our bricks and sticks and we travel full time. Teri works remotely and I'm retired. Well, I'm not retired because I'm trying to do this YouTube thing, I think. Most of our traveling in our fifth wheel, and our fifth wheel's name is? Caroline, and our truck's name is?
Daniel.
Right. So we travel around the country in Caroline and Daniel. And if you see this logo and see us in a campground, please come say hi to us. But we do jump out of our RV, and in 2022 we've traveled to Puerto Rico,
Hawaii,
and have spent time there. We also have a couple more trips coming up out of the country.
Dominican Republic.
Yep. But we're still RVing, and we still have Glacier, Yellowstone. We're traveling. Yeah, we're going to drive, but yeah, maybe Zion if we can get there.
Yeah.
But we're hoping that you'll follow along with us on our journey and see that we are fun people that are just living our best lives, and we want to share that with you.
Yeah, come along with us and have some fun.
All right, so we really hope that you'll follow along and find it entertaining through the rough times and the fun times, that we're just fun people living our best lives, and we just want to share our adventures and travels with you. So we're going to see you
on our next trekking adventure.
I think it's time to run.